Guys, so today we're doing a $750 gaming PC build. Instead of me trying to list everything off and just be boring, we're gonna let my girlfriend do it because she knows I build PCs, but she never seen me do one before. She doesn't know any PC parts, so I'm just gonna let her do it because I thought it would be funny. So yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we have is the Lancool 205M case. The next thing we have is the 512 gigabyte NVMe SSD. After that, we have the RAM, and it is a DDR4 3200 16 gigabyte.
Nice.
Okay, and then we have the Ryzen 5 3600 with the stock fan. Okay, and then we're using the B450 AORUS M gaming motherboard.
Nice.
And then we're using the 550 watt switching power supply by PowerSpec. And the last thing we're using...
You didn't have to say the switching power. It's fine.
Whatever.
Let's go. Keep going.
Then we're using the 1660 Ti graphics card.
Alright, so now I'm going to do a little build montage and just let it go through. And at the end of the video, I'm going to do some benchmarks. And that's it. And see how this thing goes. Okay, so it has been a couple days. My Wi-Fi ended up going out, and I had to use my girlfriend's Wi-Fi to download everything. So I did all that. It's now good. Built it, and now we're gonna be doing this benchmark, and then we're gonna do one more after this. But for now, we're just gonna do this PC user benchmark, and I'll let you know the results. Here are the results. Oh wait, it's over here. So yeah, I mean, this is not a bad, like, everything's all good, had everything updated and everything. This is not a bad system, man. It's good. I like it. And like I said, no, I didn't say this yet, but Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War just came out. I've been playing a lot of it. All max settings. I'm getting about, like, I think it's like 120 to 130, somewhere in there. So, I mean, this thing, I have no complaints, man. It's really good. We're going to do one more benchmark, and yeah, okay, here we go. One we're actually going to be doing, but my Wi-Fi is still not back to really good. So, I'm going to be sitting here for a while, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you an update. Okay, so this is the settings we're going to be running for, and alright, hit run. Now we'll let this run out. Okay, so just got done. That's what it is. I'll let you get a close look up on it. I mean, it's not the best, but I mean, like I said, I've been playing Cold War with this thing, and I absolutely love it. This is Bella. Say hello. But yeah, guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see me do next. I actually have 2 other builds gonna be coming up. One for 1,500 and one for 1,000. So I mean, subscribe for more content like that. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video.